What is up, guys? Today is a very exciting day for me. I'm super excited because today I am unboxing. Ooh, my ears are ringing. Okay, that was weird. But we are unboxing a package, and inside this package is something I'm super excited about. We're gonna go ahead and get it open out of the Amazon box, of course. I tried to get it from Apple, but I was having the hardest time. Here we have our box. So excited, so excited. Okay, let's go ahead and get it open. Wow, there she is. You're home now, girl. Wow, this is a big box. Oh my gosh. Whoa. No, this is crazy. This is deja vu. Why does this feel like I've lived this before? It just feels so vivid. That just came out of nowhere. Okay, first we're gonna start with the outside of the box. That feels so weird right now. But here's the outside of the box. It is very thick. I'm gonna try to give you every angle. I have not watched many videos of this computer. Actually, I've only watched 2. And honestly, I'm super excited because that's not me at all. I normally do so much research and I am so prepared for what I'm getting myself into. Yeah, that did not happen with this. Yes, ma'am. There is my MacBook. This thing is not light, not gonna lie to you guys. I'm trying to hold it up and it is kind of heavy. Ooh, whoa. Did my old MacBook have that under? It did not. Wow. Wow. It feels and looks, it has more of a square shape compared to the old one. This is beautiful. This is space gray. I love the way that looks. Let's put it down because it's mad heavy. Okay, for the box, as always, Apple gives us a nice box with nothing in it, but we pay all this money. Oh, the cord is nice. I am so mad we no longer have the C, because I'm trying to get all my devices on this, and the fact that this is not, it makes me so upset. But we're back to this, whatever this is. Wait, this is even different. Oh, this is like that corded material. I like this. I'm not 100% sure why they made those 2 different colors. Like, it's 3 colors. You have, this is white, this is like a gray, and this is a dark gray. So there's a lot going on here, but we still like it. We have no choice. And then I'm assuming the big block is back here along with the stickers. The block looks the exact same, nothing new. Wait, maybe it is new, hold on. Or is that just the outside? Okay, yeah, that was just the paper. Oh, they should make this like a matte color. That would be so nice. They should have made this a different color too, since they got 3 colors on this bad boy. Now, I did see somebody go in here and pull out the stickers. I don't know if my stickers are black. They did have the one I was trying to get from the beginning, which was the 2024 one. This is the 2023 one. So I'm not sure if mine's like that because it's a year older, but I thought that was so, oh, it is black. It's black. This is different. I actually really like this. I want to do a side-by-side comparison for you guys because there's a huge difference. Here is a side-by-side comparison. Off rip, just looking at this, we can see that the headphone jack is now gone on this one, and we have I have no clue what this is. Is this the HDMI cord? Is this an HDMI? Why is it HDMI on the MacBook? And then we have, what is this?
Okay, this is why I normally do research before doing stuff, because we're learning all of this at the same time. Luckily, this is not a tech channel. This is just me unboxing my MacBook for the first time. I didn't do much research beforehand, so I really didn't know what I was getting myself into. So please bear with me as I figure that all out and I try to show you guys while I'm seeing it for the first time and learning and trying to show you guys. So it was a lot going on.
Wow, okay. I used to use this so that I can be able to, but now, no words. I don't know if this is what this actually is for. Like, is it for transferring the file like this does? Let's move on. My brain is being exploded right now. Okay, so now we're gonna turn it to the front. Just look at the size comparison is crazy. Look at that. Even like the thickness is different. This is more slimmer, and this is a Pro. This is a Pro. I will put the specs right above it so you can know what's going on. So here are your specs, and this is what each one have. So you can see they're the same exact thing, just a few years later. And this is a big difference. The size is just so crazy. We're gonna look at the other side now. Oh my gosh. Oh, okay. So the headphone jack is not completely gone. It's actually right here. And you still have your USB-C. So I guess if that SD card don't work, I can still use this. I can just put it here. And then I'm assuming this is, yeah, this has to be where you plug it up at. Let's see. Oh, okay. She's aggressive. Oof, okay. But here is your side-by-side comparison. Look at that height difference. Look at the thickness of it. So when you're looking above, you can even see how much bigger it is. And this could be because the size of the screen is different. One's a 13 and one's a 14 inch, I believe. The specs was above it, so you can just refer back to the specs if you want to know. But I think that's enough comparing for now. Let's open up the new one. Which way do you turn to open it? This way. She's big. Oh, I am going to miss that. That is crazy. Hola, oh no, hello. I don't want to be racist, so I'm not gonna say nothing because I was gonna say konnichiwa. I'm not gonna lie, y'all. So maybe we should just be quiet. Yes, me. Hola. Bonjour. Bonjour. Hola. Why we went back? Oh no. Ooh. No. Halo. Nope. Boom. Dumb. Okay, let me just be quiet. We have made it to the end. Okay, ciao. Let's just take a moment to do some comparing again. I'm sorry. Ew. Okay, listen, hear me out. This just looks fake. Like, this does not look real. Like, am I tripping? It just looks, I don't know how I feel about the touch thing not being there. That was my best friend. Although I didn't use it for much, it was still my best friend. From the very first look, you can see that this MacBook Pro symbol is here, but it's not over here. I love this black trim around it. Is it on this one? It just looks so much smoother. Okay, so here's the thing. On this, the screen looks smoother. On this one, the bottom half looks smoother. This just looks big and bulky and old, if I could just be honest. There's a better overview. Okay, let's take off my little protector thingy. Oh, it has the black. Oh, okay, so it looks the exact same. Okay, so I take everything back that I just said. The only thing that, of course, is super different, like, is the biggest difference, is my thing. Like, I am going to miss. Why did they take that away? It looks ugly without it. The screen is beautiful, guys.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
First of all, don't do that. In the arms of an angel, fly away. It's so sad to see you go. Even though our time was short, I will always remember you. Goodbye. Ooh, see, we just had a connection there. That was a moment. This is not the vibe. Oh, it's so, oh, it doesn't do like mine. So on mine, look, I have mine moving and I have it big and it's, oh wow, it goes all the way across. Is that something? I kind of like this one where it goes all the way across. Did I do this? Did I customize that on mine? I don't know. I'm pretty sure I won't be getting a case because I never really use a case, as you can see. If I do end up getting a case, it will be a clear one and I'm gonna just put a whole bunch of stickers on it. Other than that, I think I'm just gonna leave it how it is. I love it. And when I come back, we'll customize, or either it will be customized and I'll show you guys what I done. I am super excited. It is definitely a beauty and something I'm gonna have to get used to. I'll see you guys in a few days. Hey guys, oh my gosh, it's been so long since I picked up the camera. I have been taking the biggest break ever and I definitely forgot to record my MacBook for you guys. Okay, so now we're in my screen. My background is very easy. I actually created this myself using Pinterest. Like, I went on Pinterest and I typed in backgrounds for MacBook or something like that. I saw this, and because every time I tried to download it myself from Pinterest, I saw some on Pinterest and I customized it myself. So I went on Canva and I made these little blocks from text boxes. Actually, let me see if I can show you. I went on Pinterest, I typed in ocean pictures because I don't know if you guys know, but I love the beach, I love water. So once I got my background picture, I added to the background, then I found another one, and then I found another one, and I just add this text on myself, and I added this cross myself as well, using Canva Elements, I believe. Yep, right here, graphics. But yeah, to make this, all I did, let me see. I really don't. I think, oh yes, I think I did a shape. Yes, I think I used this shape right here. And I made it the size I want. Now I had to keep playing with that so I can get it to the right size. But I made it white, I believe. And then I believe I did transparency. I turned it all the way down. Yep, that's exactly what I did. And so let me see what transparency I have. 62. I turned it down to 62. You get the gist. And then I just sized it how I want to, depending on what was going on. And then I added this personal, other, and YouTube. And then I added this specific verse because I don't know, I wanted something that would just remind me constantly when I'm looking at my computer. And this one is perfect. Humble yourselves before the Lord and he will exalt you. We can always use a reminder to humble ourselves. It's so easy to get a big head, to get a big ego. I don't know. I did customize my MacBook a lot of ways. So I have my thing, it does this. And I think when I have something open, actually no, I don't have mine going down like that. Oh, it does. Okay, so it disappears. And do you see how my calendar in the MacBook, it goes blue like that? I love that. I wish it stayed that color, but unfortunately it does not. But look how beautiful this is. Oh my gosh, I love this so much. But I had to play around with the text boxes, making them different sizes. So basically all of this was gone. And I would just keep playing around with the size. And then I would download this, see how it looks in my background. And yeah. And if it didn't look good, I would resize it. So it did take a lot. It was a lot of, what is it called? Trial and error to get this how I like it to, especially like with the cross and stuff, because I didn't want that to be, see how you can see it perfectly, like you can see all of this perfectly. But inside my YouTube, I have audio, incomplete, thumbnail, completed, brand, and Final Cut Pro. The reason I kept the folders the exact same, I actually really love the blue on top of this. This is not even. That's kind of something I don't like about Apple, how you have free range to do it however, so it's not always equal. But if there's a way that I could get it equal, let me know. And then in personal, I have change, apartment, and job. The fact that that J is capitalized is bothering me, and I don't like the word job. I'm going to change it to work. And then in other, I have my hard drive. There usually is a lot of stuff here, depending on if I'm editing a video, thumbnails, screenshots, whatever go on my desktop usually go right here. But yeah, it's very simple. I love it. As you can see, it's December 15th, 10 more days to Christmas. There's so many testimonies that I want to tell you guys, and I haven't even sat down to record them. I don't know what I'm waiting on. Probably in 2025, we'll definitely release a lot of stuff that's just been sitting on my heart, stirring up in my brain. But for now, that is my MacBook. Very plain, very simple, but I love it. I'm very simple. I don't like clutter. And this just, what's the right word? Is an example of that. This just exhibits that. This just exhibits that. So I'm happy, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Pause before I end this video. I have been loving this MacBook. I have not charged my MacBook since I got back home from my hometown. And look at the I love this MacBook. There has been times where I have did multiple editing sessions and I have not had to charge the computer. I am obsessed with this computer. I love this computer so much. It was definitely worth the investments. I love this thing. It's bigger. Oh, it's just so amazing. My Final Cut Pro has not been crashing. It's been performing beautifully. It has been just a wonderful experience, and I'm so happy that I finally was able to upgrade my MacBook. Next is coming, I'm probably gonna upgrade my whole Apple ecosystem, not gonna lie, because the Apple Intelligence on the iPhone, I really want it. After seeing how that thing works, I want it. I cannot wait to show you guys what 2025 has in store, because the video most likely will be coming out in 2025, even though it's coming in 2024. I'll see you guys in the next video. Whether that's in 2024 or 2025, God willing, I'll see you there. Peace. Bye, guys.